at Ward High Tech, and they offer unique finance packages. So I'm going to find out from Julian what's available at the moment and what is it that you're doing that is different from what others can do. So we're going to be talking about the buy now, pay later deals, super deduction tax and the double digit discounts, which sounds fabulous. So Julian, let's start off with the buy now, pay January 2022. Now that seems ages away.
It certainly does, but for some people it's not that far away after all. You know, it's one of the philosophies of Ward High Tech that we try and establish a rapport with our customers to find out exactly what they need. Because sometimes it's not just the machine, it's the finance element of it as well. And the buy now, pay January, which is currently running, well, for some people that's a real bonus because they may have finance running out in January, but it's not ready for it now. And if you can go ahead with something now when I actually need something, then that's a real plus. And
you've got a spindle on your shop floor making you money for a long period of time before you have to start paying it back.
Well, that's another thing, yeah. You've got the machine actually at your disposal, you can make money on it, and while you're making money on it, you're not paying out for it, which is great.
Before we move on, have you had much success with this?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, this is something that's seems to have taken the market by, I wouldn't say by storm, but it's certainly something that's intrigued a great deal of people, and we've had numerous telephone conversations. Not as many face-to-face visits as we'd like, mainly because of the COVID situation, but yeah, I mean, it's a major plus for us.
And it's tempted people to go, you know what, let's do it. Let's go. You know, I know that today you've had 7 machines, one order, go today, leave the premises, which is so exciting.
That's right, yeah.
Right, okay, something that's exciting at the moment is this super deduction tax that the government have brought in. They had some deals previously, but they've stopped now. So this is new.
Well, you know, this is the most positive thing we've heard in so long now. I mean, you know, we can make up our own things such as the buy now, pay laters, and as I said, it's attracted a great deal of interest, but the super deduction scheme from the government is absolutely fantastic. As I said, the most positive thing we've heard for so long.
Yes, it's really interesting because, you know, I've heard that the government are helping successful companies and in turn that's going to make people invest more. Can you give us a bit of an example to get our heads around this?
Absolutely. I mean, for example, a machine currently on our shop floor costing £100,000. There's £25,000 tax back on your next tax bill, which you can only apply for as part of this super deduction scheme. It's an incentive to go ahead and buy machinery. I think that's what's on the government's mind. It's the ability of a company to invest. And that's what we really need right now.
So important.
Very important.
Now, double-digit discounts. Well, I hear a lot about that when it comes to a furniture sale, but certainly not machine tools.
Certainly not normally machine tools, but, you know, we've been accused of many things, and being generous with our discounts has never really been one of them. But the thing is, it's the market today, and, yeah, there are some genuinely good deals, not just good, great deals, available on some stock machines on our shop floor at the moment.
And I think that's also to add to it the fact that you have a large range of stock machines ready to go. And that kind of tempts you, doesn't it?
It certainly does. You know, the ability to, you know, say, well, you can have a machine, but you may have to wait 12, 16, 20 weeks for it. Well, actually, as soon as I can get a lorry organised, you can have your machine on your shop floor. So not only are you not paying very much in the first place with our buy now, pay later, but you're getting a good deal on the machine that's in your factory, working, cutting metal, making you money as quickly as possible.
Couldn't think of a better ending, but I've got to add to it as well. You can use your old machines as a deposit at times.
You can use your old machines as a deposit, yes. There is a situation where, for example, if you did use your old machines as a deposit, because we don't ask for an enormous deposit in the first place, and you could end up actually not paying anything other than the VAT at the outset. So, yeah, there is that opportunity.
Okay, lots and lots of unique deals happening here at Ward High Tech. Do get in touch with them for more information.